It happened that you must reinvent yourself, rebuild yourself in a new way, again and again. How will you do this self-construction? Rebuilding yourself demands sacrifice. It can be expensive and lonely. All the successful people in this world have focused their energy by being alone. Those who became great spent time on themselves, made expensive investments in their lives, and developed themselves. To reinvent yourself, you may need to endure loneliness and spend resources, but it demands sacrifice. If you truly want to rebuild yourself, reinvent yourself, I told you at 4 o'clock today, by the time you leave tonight, you won't be the same person you were before. This means that if you start applying what you've learned today, the transformation will begin. Reinvention might cost you, it might feel expensive or make you lonely, but when you step out into the market with no support, no company, no leader by your side, you will be a force of change on your own. Reinventing your life requires 2 sacrifices: loneliness and expense. Are you ready to give these sacrifices? I swear, if you accept being alone for a while and are willing to spend on yourself, one day a single event will change your life. That event will pay off. Become the owner of your business. Remind yourself of your worth. There will come a day when your upline, your leaders, will speak of your success. They will mention your name to their teams, and that day will arrive. This is the way reinvention happens. It may seem costly or lonely at first, but one day you will become a leader the world will recognize. Make those close to you happy, and those far from you will naturally come closer. What a powerful line. The world is failing to care for what is within its reach and is crying over what is not. We worry about those who are no longer with us while neglecting those who remain. The principle says, if you want to renovate yourself, reinvent yourself, then focus your energy on those who are still with you, and they will come closer. Take this formula into account. Just as in real life, when there is a rift between father and son, the son often finds another father better and vice versa. I've seen this practically. A man with 2 sons, both of whom left home, and yet he took in a friend's son who had also left his parents. The lesson here is simple. Focus on your own and make them happy, and those who are distant will come back. The world is won by first winning over your family. Without winning your family, you cannot conquer the world. Focus on developing those around you, and the distant ones will draw closer. Invest your time, money, and effort into developing your own people. Reinvent yourself. Start thinking about possibilities instead of limitations. You have spent your time thinking about what you can't do. I can't do this. I can't show the plan. I can't attend meetings or follow the rules. Now, start thinking. If I show the plan, I will gain respect. If I make a purchase, I'll win the contest. If I show more plans, my business will double. Change your mindset from limitations to possibilities. Until today, you might have thought you can't become a millionaire. From now on, speak about the possibilities. If I become a millionaire, my life, my family's life, my parents' lives will change. Focus on possibilities and your life will change. Reinvention requires that you speak in terms of possibilities, not limitations. This is not just about learning, it's about applying. On your way home, reflect on what you've learned. Engage with it, talk about it, and record it in your mind, because what I've delivered to you today is what the greats of this world have practiced. Your life will change if you take it one step at a time. And the last thing, you must become the change you want to see in the world. If you want to change the world, you must change yourself first. If you tell others to show the plan, you must show it yourself. If you tell them to make lists, you must make them first. If you tell them to recruit, you must recruit first. You must become the embodiment of the change you want to see. If you want people to work hard, you must work hard first. If you want others to believe in this business, you must believe in it first. This is the cardinal rule of leadership. Focus on the basics, do what you expect others to do, and reinvention will happen. You must become the change you want to see in the world. You want people to do good business? You must do it first. You want them to follow the rules. You must follow them first. You want people to respect relationships. You must build good relations first. The greatest men in history are not those who could simply have children. True greatness lies in guiding those children to their dreams. You must show them the path, give them wings to fly. That's true leadership. And I swear today, if you commit to becoming the change, you will create that transformation.